Turn that up.
I can tell you right now, no for real, that I feel in my gut. This is a song of the summer. I know I'm getting older, it's bringing me peace to go look at the stars. And we under the negative vibes. Stay to yourself, you'll be fine.
Freeze frame. Okay, so this is our beloved bush. I'm super thankful for my harvest, but I just have to shout out the long-standing turf war that my mom and this bush have had. Watch until the end of the video for a quick story to tell about the bush. So we don't have a ton of roses, but I'm gonna make do with what I have. I was able to collect enough to get the tea done. These are French flowers. If you know any uses for these, please let me know. Okay, so pause. If you're squeamish, please go ahead and pause the video and skip to this timestamp ahead. And if you're good with a little humor, just go ahead and keep watching.
I was just trying to make some rose water, and a spider then took the box hostage. It was a spider in the roses. Look how big he is. It was a spider in the roses, y'all. I'm sorry. He done already got his little nervous system gonna shut down in a while, y'all. I'm sorry, because he done got sprayed. Because who invited Peter Parker to the party? Y'all think I'm playing? I'm not going by this box until he... Just call myself making some rose water for my child. Not being held hostage.
So now, of course, I have to walk you through my entire thought process where I'm looking up the rose water. I'm looking up if it's really worth me making it or if I should just buy it. And we all did. We all know what I came here to do. I came here to make it. So I went ahead and found a recipe and a method that works for me. It's kind of this distillation, steam, tea, water, boil method. It's just like making noodles. It's really not that hard. I'm going to start off by sterilizing with some vodka. I'm going to measure it out and go ahead and toss it in the pot. Then I'm going to rinse off my flowers and go ahead and put the water on so that it can start to boil. Let's ignore all of the water that I inevitably spilled all over the stove. Let's just ignore that. Petals to start with? Like maybe 2.5 roses? Maybe 2.5 roses?
North, south, east, west, I don't know where to turn to. Crawl back in the bed quicker, I can feel it getting worse. I don't wanna talk, I don't wanna text, I don't wanna feel nothing. Confidence, I can feel it plummet. Need a doctor to heal something. Hard to get out of bed. I told her that I might be better off dead, baby. Fight for you and I'm scared I'll go against lions and tigers and bears for you. If I'm faced with a Drake, take a 762 to the head for you. If it's blood to be shed, then it's bread for you. Got a bottle of rum, make it red. And she said, let me know for sure if I'm only yours. How you ease your mind when your heart's at war. Only time will tell if it's something else. Put my heart on the shelf, scratching and constant, ain't nothing left, nah. I'm fighting my past, I'm fighting my reason, fighting everything between. Put your hand on my chest like the Pledge of Allegiance. If it there's gonna freeze ya. Tell me why did you leave so abruptly? Every day I wake up and I feel like nothing. I shut it down for myself, I don't like outside. I feel safe with this AR9. Walk around with an ARP. My mama don't like when I clutch my heater. And she wouldn't believe all the things I see. I laid in lies and drowned in deceit. Love. Not gonna lie, yes it hurts.
I got this beauty packaging like toolkit on Amazon. The link will be in my Linktree, which will be in the description box below. Y'all, I promise I'm going to get through an aesthetic video, but Amazon, what is this? what is this? And how did it get up out the factory? And how did it get into my packaging and on top of my sponge? I don't know what this is, but don't let it happen again. Don't do that. Let this be a lesson to y'all to sanitize y'all beauty products and throw away anything that you don't need to use that's not sterile.
War, will you help me up when I leave all my blood on the floor? Only time will tell if it's something else.
So this is the final product being made into foams and hairsprays, skin sprays, lotions, soaps. I'm doing a ton with this spray. Please be sure to refrigerate it properly and store it properly. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, please, y'all. It means so much to me. And on that note, let's get into the bloopers.
Spray. I harvested it. I'm putting this on TikTok. You know what? Goodbye.
God, them had little orange detail. So we just gonna sit here and wait on Ortho to do his job. Cause I screamed so loud. Y'all, I could have touched the spider. I could have died. I could have died. Look how big he is. Look at him. He is huge. That thing could be dangerous. I ain't got no shots. You never know. I ain't got the immune system for that. I didn't play outside enough. I just came in the house talking about I want to get into gardening. No, the hell I don't. Because outside is outside. And then he just sitting here, menacingly, with his booty in the air. Don't that mean he in attack mode? Oh, hell no. So we just gonna stay in here, bruh. You just gonna hold my box hostage. This is evil. Don't you want my son to have clear skin? God, I'm about to come over here and kill a damn spider. I can't post it what you said. You gonna do that to the spider. They gonna censor me.
I don't give a damn. It's gonna get spider. They want to spider the damn bag.
We got plenty more outside. It's Texas. He is one in a gazillion. If we really thought about it, him and all his take over the world, and we could do nothing about it. I heard about it. He fit. Oh my God. He Oh my God. I swear God ain't gonna get me through this one. Whew.
I'm a fingertip. Oh my gosh. A fingertip. That hurts.
You gotta be real gentle and invoke the paint. And before we close today, I want to go ahead and close out in word. Let me tell you about God. Let me tell you about the spirit. Let me tell you about resiliency. My mama got this bush installed. They put it in the wrong place. This bush overgrows every few months. It overgrows over like the whole walkway into the house. But God, that bush always grows back. I mean, we will cut it down, deroot it, take it up by the... There is nothing that's going to get rid of that bush. So I'm going to be making rose water to the end of time. So I really hope y'all like this video. Thank you for watching. Because I'm going to have a forever supply of rose water. Because my mama and that bush going to have it out till the end of time. Like, comment, and subscribe. And have a great day, CHIFam. Thanks for watching.